guys, and welcome back to my weekly vlog. So it's Monday today and I got up early and I filmed a hair tutorial video, which is this one right here. So that is coming soon. I don't think it's going to be up for a few weeks though. I think it goes up the end of this month. But yeah, keep your eyes out for that. Also got some more wedding kind of deliveries today. I'm just going to show you one thing I got. How cute are these wedding stickers? So I basically planned to stick those stickers on these little boxes I've got for confetti, and also some paper cups with the lids for tea and coffee if anyone's going to have those. Shadow, what do you think you're doing? Get down. Oh my god, he's being a nightmare. He loves to jump up on my desk, and he just jumped up and started touching my keypad. Not good. But yeah, I'm going to pack up now, tidy up a little bit, sort my life out, and then gonna head to my mum's because it's her birthday today. Also just wanted to show these swimsuits from Tallulah's Threads. I'll pop a link below if you want to look at them, but how cute are they? Got a mermaid one and a flame one. So I got my paper cups the other day and I'm getting my wedding stickers and I am popping them on, which I think looks super cute. So I just got plain white ones. They're really cheap. I think they were like a £5 for 50 cups. So yeah, compared to if you need to like buy, because obviously my barn is dry hire, so I've got to bring everything in, all the glasses, everything. So if I wanted to hire like, I don't know, 20 cups and saucers or something, or mugs, it's gonna cost a lot more than that. So I thought, and I also quite like this idea because I needed stickers for my confetti boxes anyway, and the more stickers you buy, the cheaper overall cost they are. So yeah, I think they look really sweet. Oh, sausage, mash and beans. Morning guys, so it's now Tuesday and today is IKEA day. I'm so excited. Oh my god's sake. Shadow's just run upstairs. Oh, he keeps moving here. I'm gonna have to get a gate for the stairs. Yeah, I'm going to IKEA because I'm gonna start ticking off my wedding decor list even more. So yeah, so I'm going to bring my list with me. I've got lots and lots of things to get, like vases and jars and candles. So yeah, it should be a good day. I'm kind of gutted that we can't buy any house stuff. But yeah, I do love a bit of IKEA, and we're going to have some lunch. Meatballs and mash. Some little friends joined me in my dressing room today, didn't they? So this is what I'm wearing today, my cash outfit for IKEA. Let's go. We've just arrived at IKEA. Robin's with me. Are you excited to buy all the stuff for the wedding? So excited. He's more excited to eat the Swedish meatballs, I think. Pit stop. Oh my god, this looks amazing. So this is happening. All the vases. Show us your trolley. Robin wants those. Show us your trolley.
I want to fill it up with sweets.
No. Ridiculous. Another trolley load. How good are our packing skills? Look at that. Got some little friends looking after it all as well. Oi! Now I gotta drive. Who wants a present? Who wants a present? You want a present? Daddy's got a present for you. Okay, sit. You have to sit, guys.
Who's gonna sit?
Who's gonna sit?
Shadow, sit. Good boy.
You have to sit, guys. No, sit.
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 Okay.
You should have given them one each at the same time.
Sit.
Oh, good boy, Shadow. Oh, bless him. Yeah. Oh. Oh, guys. He's running away with the monkey and hiding with it. Oh, so we are home from IKEA now. Got quite a few bits. There were some bits that were out of stock annoyingly because I checked the other day, but obviously IKEA stock can change in a couple of days, but it's fine. We still need to go back and get all of our plants and succulents and stuff from IKEA. But I'm definitely going to go to the Wembley one because the IKEA at Lakeside is not good for plants. The section is like more than half the size of the Wembley one. But yeah, got some vases, managed to get some little lanterns. I need to get candles still because they were also out of stock, and my napkins. Got some wooden boxes I'm going to paint. yeah, so getting there slowly. Okay, so I just got a gift from Primark and we are going to open up and see what's inside. Ooh, oh look, these are cute, bride and groom cookies. What's this? Oh cute, Mr. and Mrs. Wedding bunting. I didn't know they did stuff like this. Bride, oh yeah. Oh, that's cute. Little pyjamas. Nice little shorts. Oh, I can wear these on our wedding night. Oh, I do love a candle. Oh, smell that.
Oh, yeah.
I will like that. Oh, I've got a card. Oh, look at this little fiance. I just realised. Morning guys, I hope you're all well. Today I am going to London, so I'm up early trying to whisper because the dogs, I haven't done vlogs this morning because it's too early, but Robin's going to get up soon and do them. I'm going for breakfast with ASOS and then I'm going to go and meet my manager to catch up. Yeah, one of my other meetings got cancelled today, which is annoying, but it's fine, at least I can come home a bit earlier. So let's get going. Hey guys, yes, I look like this. I have just shot this video for a little tutorial for the NYX UK Face Awards, which I'm entering. Probably not going to win, but hey, thought I'd give it a try. This is my look. Took me a while to film. Oh, sorry, I'm out of breath. Just been running around the house. But yeah, this is the look. I'm quite liking it. Gave it my best, and yeah, I need to wash it all off now. Oh, so that took a lot of effort to get this off my face. Still got glitter on it, I think. Yeah, so I had breakfast today with ASOS, which was really, really nice. And then I caught up with my management, and then I got home at like 2, went to the range, got my bits for my NYX Face Award video, and then I just filmed it because I had an afternoon to do it. And yeah, it's actually up on my Instagram if you want to see the tutorials, so do head over to my page. I'm just going to chill tonight. I feel sick again. Last night I felt sick at the same time. It's really weird. It's always like when I'm about to eat dinner. So I'm going to hold off on dinner until I feel okay. And if I still feel sick, I'm just not going to eat anything. Weird. But yeah, I'm just going to chill. I think sit on the sofa, watch some telly, and I think I might attempt at making some more pom-poms, but at the same time, I don't know if I can be bothered. Morning guys, so it's now Thursday and we are about to head to my storage unit because we've got to unload all the stuff from IKEA that we bought and also sort my storage unit out because it is ridiculous. Oh, I just got back from the storage unit, but actually we did a very, very, very good job, me and Robin. Thank you for your help. And cleared it all out. It's all like got sections now, like homeware, beauty, travel stuff, wedding stuff. And yeah, now we're cooking, what's it called? Pita panna?
Yeah.
Good, alright. This Swedish stuff that we got from IKEA. I can't remember what the last thing I told you was, but I've just been editing videos today and scheduling on YouTube, and Robin is miming everything I'm saying. You're really annoying. Yeah, don't want to be in it, do ya? Shove off. So we just went to Asda. I did a food shop. We've got, stop it Robin, I'm not even gonna look at you. We got a cooked chicken tonight for dinner. I'm gonna have it with chips, and oh my god Robin, you put me off so much. Seriously, go away. I don't even know what to say now, but yeah, I'm just gonna chill tonight. Have some food. Oh, I need to make more pom-poms. Pom-poms are taking over my life. Oh, so I just had some lunch and been editing the video I filmed earlier, and now we are going to view this house, so wish us luck. Just wanted to update you guys on the house that we saw. We really liked it, which is good news. However, yeah, we need to wait to sell ours really until we can offer, so we'll just have to wait and see if it's still on the market by then. But yeah, positive. I'm going to think positively. Law of attraction and all that. So we're bowling again, and Robin just got a strike! He did! away your wrist and then waiting the car so you can leave the tax reception. It's safe to say I'm not very good at bowling at the moment. I think I need a bit more practice. Me and Robin haven't been for a while.
I played alright.
Yeah, Robin was actually really good. He won both games, but I was alright on the first game. Failed miserably on the second game, as always.
You rescued it a bit,
but I did rescue it at the end. I did. Had to change my ball. Had to try something else. But yeah, we're getting Chinese now. I'm starving, and we're gonna head home to eat it. Also, how cool's my eye makeup looking like so sparkly. Hey guys, so it is now Saturday night. I know I have not vlogged today. I'm sorry. I just couldn't be bothered. I know that's bad. I just wanted a day to kind of, the last thing I wanted to think about was vlogging. Like yeah. This morning well actually last night I was really ill in the middle of the night, which was not good. I had such a bad stomach. I think my IBS flared up, and yeah, I was up for about half an hour in the bathroom. Not going to go into details. It was not a nice situation to be in, I'm just going to say that. And yeah, so today I've just felt a bit sort of sicky, and I just didn't really feel right until tonight, to be honest. So I just sort of ate toast today, and then actually naughtily went out for Nando's. So hopefully it's not gonna, you know, just make me go back to what it was last night. But I just had some chicken and some chips. So it's quite plain food. But yeah, today we had someone view our house. I don't think they liked it, which is annoying, but hey, we've got our open day next Saturday. It was just a girl couldn't make it to the open day, so wanted to come and see it today, but hey, it's fine. Robin's at work. It's snowing again. What the hell is up with this weather? I do not know. It's so freaking cold. Yeah, Luna's not going outside because she hates it, bless her. It's just not good. I've got my hot water bottle, got the dogs, and we're just going to chill and watch Netflix. I filmed a video earlier for my Instagram as well, but apart from that I haven't really done anything today. I'm just tidying up and making sure the house is sort of spotless for the viewing, and then yeah, I watched some of I can't talk. I watched some of Riverdale, which I'm going to go finish watching now. Got a few episodes to catch up on, and yeah, just a Saturday night in with the dogs. Robin's going to be late tonight because he's finishing work at 10 PM. Yeah, that's it today. Morning guys, it's Sunday, and me and Robin are going to head into town. It's absolutely freezing outside, but thank God it's stopped snowing now. I need to get some makeup wipes and some little bits. We need to get some food. Robin can't be asked to food shop today because Sundays are a nightmare food shopping, so we're going to go tomorrow instead and just get by with some bits and bobs in town today. Fancy checking out TK Maxx as well for the homeware, and also just to see if they've got any wedding bits. I might actually go to Primark as well. Oh, I just had the nicest little nap with shadow on the sofa. Apparently Robin got a picture actually. I need to ask him if I can see it. Oh, so I just got back from Robin's mum's. We had the most amazing roast dinner, and yeah, I'm just gonna head to bed now. It's like 10:30. So full and so tired. So yeah, thanks for watching this week's vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.